Anja Leist. I'm Associate Professor in Public Health and Aging at the University of Luxembourg in the Department of Social Sciences, and I'm also a holder of an ERC starting grant on cognitive aging and dementia. Everything related to the aging is interdisciplinary and should be interdisciplinary because we have an intertwined interplay between the social environment, behavioral factors that are accumulating over the decades as people are aging, and then all kinds of environmental factors that influence our biological age and our social age. The microbiome is, well, it is only since the last 10-20 years that we really have discovered how much the microorganisms in our gut influence the way we feel and also the way we age. There's many links between the gut microbiome and immunological hormonal processes in the brain that we need to understand further. And for me, it's one of the ways how the social and behavioral factors that we have found to be so important in dementia actually translate into the mechanisms, and these are the actual biological pathways when we look into brain aging and dementia. Our early findings indicate not so much differences in the microbiome between healthy controls and people with mild cognitive impairment, but we see a lot of differences in the microbiome according to the dementia risk and protective factors. So, for example, married people have a higher microbiome diversity than non-married people, which is in line with what we see from the social determinants of health literature. Another important finding is that people with a lower educational status also have less diversity in the microbiome, which could maybe in future interventions be improved and thus give people better chances at a healthy old age. The Audacity Award has been really important in gaining international visibility on the topic. It's really an important distinction that we lead a flagship project on interdisciplinarity here at the University of Luxembourg. And it helped me also to gain further project funding to in detail investigate related research questions.